Hey guys, it's Coach Tim, and today we'll do a longer form video explaining 3 ways how you can get out of a headlock. Okay guys, so we'll go over the super basics starting in a headlock. This one is not the funny one, this isn't the one that looks great, but it's the one that you have to know the complete basics to understand. Number one, this is a headlock, this is not a choke. But if he understands, or if he squeezes hard enough here, it becomes a choke. So the first thing I have to do, I have to prevent being choked unconscious. I have to prevent the choke. So what I like doing, I like taking the same side where my head is, and I want to grab the wrist. So as he's pulling, I'm able to pull it towards me. So what I want to do is I want to almost connect his hand to me. Makes me feel a little stronger, makes me a little stronger as I bring my elbow in tight here. This hand here, for the basics, I want to come in this way, and I want to grab his forearm. So as I'm in the headlock, guys, I'm going to look up, because if I look down, he controls me and where I go. So I'm going to look up by pulling this hand away, and I want to pull this elbow back, creating separation from my head going up and the angles. And once I'm loose here, I can pass it, take this back, and I can escape if I need to. Okay guys, our second option. So what we're going to do this time is I'm going to still grab. Number one, I do not want to get choked. As I grab it and pull it down, now guys, I'm going to close the distance. I'm going to get super tight. Notice my left foot right here. It's going to hug up my knee to knee. And what I'm going to do, this hand, I'm grabbing the hip. Because now, as I turn, I'm going to turn him over my leg, and I'm going to look behind me while controlling the wrist, because I don't want to land in a chokehold here. If I land in this headlock, what I want to do is I want to control this pace, or control his pressure here. I'm going to push down on the head, and I'm going to raise up like I'm deadlifting or squatting to create the gap. From here, I've got attacks, arm bars, strikes, or I can escape. Number 3, this is the one I would probably most likely use in a street fight scenario. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the wrist because I don't want choke. I'm going to get tight because I want to be able to help him with the space. Left hand comes over top. I'm grabbing eyes, nose, mouth, anything I can grab. I'm going to pull him back using my body, hips going forward, head going back, and I'm going to take him over my knee for the takedown.